Holidays in America. Do Americans really have holidays? Another example of how the U.S. system is not very generous. It's not designed with giving people a good quality of life. It's actually designed to screw people, keep you working your ass off year-round without much of a break at all. Now, for the biggest, most important holidays, you might get 1 or 2 days off plus the weekend. Now, it might blow some people's minds to hear that China has way more vacation time than the U.S. There are many holidays where it's a day off, usually together with the weekend. A Dragon Boat Festival, Tomb Sweeping Day to honor ancestors, Mid-Autumn Festival. Labor Day is an important international holiday, one that has its history in the U.S., in Chicago. But guess what? Americans don't have off work that day. Anything that honors your average working person, now that's getting a little too close to socialism, if you believe the propaganda. Many other countries around the world have the day off. China has a National Week holiday in October. It's one of the biggest holidays, and people have a full week off. Lunar New Year, also called the Spring Festival, there's a minimum of a week off work. Everything shuts down. That's the big travel holiday where everyone tries to go back to their home village. The schools I worked at shut down for about 3 weeks to a month. Many foreign teachers take advantage to hop a flight somewhere, to Southeast Asia, maybe Europe. So people get real time away from their jobs, time to be with family, time to relax and enjoy life for a while. In the U.S., the holidays are so short, you have to pack your travel into those days. So not much time to decompress. It's usually a more stressful time for many people. You just don't have time to get away from the grind and to slow down. So how about the summer holiday that many Europeans take? France and Germany have something like 4 to 5 weeks of paid holiday time. Paid! That is absolutely unheard of in the U.S. In addition, they have something like 11 or 12 public holidays. Greece, Spain, and Italy are similar. When I worked at the Grand Canyon, we'd get waves of European tourists throughout the summer. I remember talking to a guy from Italy and telling him I wanted to travel there. And he joked, don't visit in August because the entire country is shut down. Everyone is on vacation. So just a short video to highlight another way in which Americans are absolutely taken advantage of by the system, thrown to the wolves. And yet the propaganda is so heavy that we live in the greatest system on earth. No health care, no vacation time, unaffordable homes and food, a food supply drenched in chemicals. So in what way is America number one in the world? Definitely when it comes to the lies, the misinformation, the propaganda, the sheer level of outright bullshit the average person is drowning in and doesn't even realize it, about the American mythology, about America and the world. In that category, America is second to none. America leads the world in this regard. So I'm interested in hearing about your experience. So where are you from in the world? Do you get any paid vacation or holiday time in your country? All right, thanks for tuning in. Bang all the bells and hit the buttons to keep in touch. All right, have a great day, everyone.